Today we're going to be folding an origami baby Yoda. This is my own original design, and it's quite simple. All you need is a 6-inch square of paper. Alright, let's get started. We're going to start color side up, and we're going to make a diagonal fold. Unfold, and we're going to make another one. Now turn the paper over, and we're going to make some horizontal folds. Okay, now we're going to collapse the paper on the folds we just made, making a square base. So just take the paper like this and squash it down. Okay, I'm going to zoom in a little bit here. Okay, if I can. Okay, now take the center point and bend it all the way in half. Just make a little mark fold. Now take the point here again and fold it all the way down, but this time crease it all the way with a good hard crease. Okay? So now we're going to unfold the paper and we're going to push that in, making a sink fold. So get it flat, and I'm just going to go around. Make sure these are all folded well. Okay, now we're going to push the paper in. Press it flat. Okay, now we're going to take this sheet here and we're going to pull up the paper to about in this region, a little higher, and we're going to put it like that. Just like that. Okay, that's a reverse fold. Now we're going to do the same over here. Okay, now we're going to take this corner here and we're going to pull it out a ways, and we're going to make a fold from this point to this point. So take the paper and fold it up. Okay, and now we're going to relax it here, and then we're going to straighten this a little bit, and then we're going to fold it back, and it's going to make a crease right here. So you want it to be about a 90-degree angle with this top part, something like that. Okay, now we're going to try and do the same over here. So fold it over. Quite a ways over. Always need to make the creases precise and sharp. Okay. Now we're going to work on the eyes. It's pretty simple. I'm just going to zoom in a little bit here. So what you're going to do is you're going to open this pocket up here. And it's a little bit of an arbitrary tool, but just follow along. Yeah, I just want to make it a little bit tighter. So it's something like that. Now we're going to try and do the same thing over here. So open this pocket up. Sorry it's taking so long. Okay, well you get the point. It's supposed to look like that. Okay, now the next step is we're going to work on this part here. So take both points here, and we're going to fold it up to about here. Okay, now take them both and fold them down to this edge here. Unfold it, and you're going to take this back piece, fold it, hide it in here. And now we're going to take this point and fold it to here. And we're going to do that, fold it in half one more time. Okay, and you could leave it there if you wanted, but I usually fold it down once more. Okay, now we're going to do a little more shaping. So turn the model over, and we're going to take this paper and fold it up like this. In doing so, we're going to have to take this little notch here, fold this back. We'll just have to be precise, something like that, so it's flat. Did a little too much. Something more like that. Maybe even not so much. Really. I know it's a little bit arbitrary. Sorry about that. This is just shaping the YODA head so it looks good. Okay, now we're going to do the same thing on the other side. Okay. Good enough finish. Okay. Now turn it back over, and we're going to take this point here and fold it up, and just with a slight angle to it. Like that. Do the same thing on the other side. Okay, now take the top part here, and you want to fold this down. Like that. Do that on the other side. Almost done. Now we're just gonna do a little shaping of the ear here. So we're gonna just take it about here and fold it back. Slight angle. And we're gonna bring it back and just do a little push forward. Too small. There, like that. I'm just gonna do the same thing on the other side. Okay, and the model is done. Well, I hope you liked the video. If you enjoyed it, please remember to click on the like button. And if you want to see more of my videos, which I'm going to be coming out with a lot more Star Wars videos, remember to click on the subscribe button. So, I just want to thank you guys for watching, and hope you have a good time. Bye-bye.